the real teacher of New Jersey. What's up, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, it's the real teacher of New Jersey. So guys, today I have another TikTok hack. Another day, another hack. Another day, another TikTok hack. All right, so this one is this cake in the microwave that I saw, and I'm like, no, boo boo, no, I do not believe you. I gotta try myself because I do not believe you. So this cake's supposed to be popping. Let's find out. And I'm here to try it for you, so you don't have to try it. And I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm gonna be honest. So let's get straight into this video because we ain't got no time. So it is hot outside, guys. So I'm gonna hurry up because I had to turn off the AC. So I'm gonna hurry up with this video. So I have 2 cups here because I saw 2 TikToks. One that made vanilla cake and the other one made the chocolate cake. And I'm like, I gotta try both. So I have the dry ingredients here, guys. I already put them together inside, so I'm just gonna tell you what they are because we ain't got time for that. Sorry guys, had to take a moment to look at my AC for a minute.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So let me tell you what I have, what I put in there. The ingredients say 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 1/4 tablespoons of baking soda. So it's basically gonna be the same thing, guys, but the only difference is that with one, I'm going to put vanilla extract, and with the other, I have to put the cocoa powder. If you see, I only have this, so this better work because I only have this. The vanilla extract is just going to be 1/4 of a teaspoon, and then for this side, oh my god, you can't even see it. I hope my fake table doesn't fall. All right, so this one calls for 2 tablespoons of the cocoa powder, but I only have this. So I have my wet ingredients here, guys. I have the milk, and I have the melted butter right here that I could be using for my boils, and the 2 eggs. So 2 tablespoons of milk and then 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ooh. 1, 2. Ah! 1, 2. Can I crack them both at the same time is the question. I can't do it. I wasn't ready. All right, guys, so now I'm going to add the dry ingredients to the cup. And I think I'm supposed to mix them in together. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix. All right, let's see. I'm making a mess here, guys. I hope this works because I'm a little bit doubtful that it's going to work, but oh, I put the vanilla extract in here. Oh, whatever. All right, so. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna mix the chocolate one first.
If you put it in the oven, but let's see if it's really going to work because I'm a little bit doubtful, you already know. Alright, look how it's looking. Can you guys see that? That's how it's looking. Alright, let's mix the other one. Alright. Oh, I'm getting it all over the place. So this is how the vanilla one is looking, guys. You see that?
Now I have to put them in the microwave.
No! God, please, no! No!
So you're not even supposed to cover them or anything. Like, are you serious? What about if it just boom? So I'm gonna do one at a time because you know I don't want them to Okay, so let me just do the chocolate one first. And it says that it's only a minute. So let's see. And now we're good. It's done. Look how it came out, guys. You know what? I think it's a little bit too soft. I'm gonna put it in there for maybe 30 more seconds. All right, so let's do the vanilla one, guys. Let's let this one chill for a little bit before we take it out. So let's do the vanilla one. Oh my god, it's so bouncy and everything.
2,000 years later.
Look at the vanilla, guys. You see that? Oh my god. It's fluffy too. So let's take them out, guys, and try it and see if it's good. I don't know. We have to try it. We have to try it. So yeah, let's see. Oh my god, let's do the other one. I think this one needs a little bit more time because it's still wet on the top. So yeah, maybe need a little bit more time. Let's see this one. Oh! All right. Hey Kevin, you want to try this?
Hell no.
Woo! Guys, I'm gonna try this for you. I'm a little bit scared. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared because it looks kind of weird. It doesn't look like the cake that I'll be baking, so I gotta hurry up and do this. Look at that move! Oh, okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, let me try the vanilla first. No bueno. Right, let me try this one. It's a little bit wet on the top, but I'm gonna try it. It's probably undercooked. Guys, make your cake in the oven. Why do it in the microwave? Why you gotta always find a way to make your life easier? Why? Bake your cake in the oven. Stop doing this. Stop with this life hacks and stuff making your life easier. For real. No bueno. All right? I do not approve. And I'm out.